Poya holds profound significance in the Buddhist calendar as it marks the Supreme Buddha's second visit to Sri Lanka in the 5th year after the Enlightenment. According to the ancient chronicle Mahavansa, Supreme Buddha visited Nagadeepa as he perceived an animosity between two parties of the Naga community. The conflict at the center of the Buddha's intervention involved Naga king Mahodara and his nephew Chulodara, and the source of contention was a gem-studded throne, a precious heirloom passed down from Chulodara's mother. The disagreement had escalated to the point of imminent battle. Through the power of his teachings, the Supreme Buddha not only quelled the dispute but also instilled a sense of unity and understanding among the warring parties. The Dhamma sermons preached by the Buddha became the catalyst for peace, fostering a newfound harmony on the island. In a gesture of gratitude and reverence, the warring kings jointly offered the precious throne to the Supreme Buddha. Demonstrating his humility, the Buddha graciously declined the gift, and the throne laden with significance was returned to the Naga kings. Thereafter, according to the Buddhist history, the Rajayatana Stupa was constructed with the throne enshrined within. Further, the Naga king Maniakita, who was there during this incident, invited the Supreme Buddha to visit Kalaniya at his next arrival. These are the main facts the Buddhists celebrate Full Moon Poya Day with great reverence, festivals and processions throughout the world.